Hey guys, this is Reggie with Stock Talk on the road with the family on a Sunday. There's the Queen. Got the boys back there napping. So anyway, some stocks that's been on my mind this weekend I want to share with you, and that should be moving this week. They have headlines going on and the momentum for the sector is roaring. So I got 4 stocks. Let's go. First one, Apple. Apple's been making noise. They're having a partnership with Hyundai in which they're going to supply AI technology for their vehicles. And so it's very similar to like in a smaller level, like Sony, how they have partnerships with like Ford and other places that had, to supply the sound system and stuff like that. So I can see Apple being a supplier of AI for the automotive industries, not just Hyundai. So Hyundai will be the beginning, right? So Apple and Apple Plus, if you looked at my other videos, Apple broke out of that flag pattern, which I told everybody about, so I hope you got in on it. It broke to the upside, and so our price target was $134. Now my new price target is $37, and I believe Apple may hit $40 by Friday. Also, we have Biden announcing his plan on Thursday. I also believe the inauguration of Joe Biden on the 20th will be another opportunity for stocks to move up because, as we know, he already announced that he wants America to be electric vehicle friendly. So you should see legislation for that. All right. Now, next on that note, Plug Power. Now, Plug Power will be an alternative to electric, right? Because Plug Power uses hydrogen power, which would be good. And you think about it, that would be good for countries where maybe they don't have electrical grids to charge these cars, or maybe solar hasn't been introduced to those countries yet. So hydrogen, so there's plenty of room for both in this space. So hydrogen is a nice little alternative, because once it's all said and done, because right now we're still in the infancy phase and change of leadership right now in the energy category. In the energy category, we have a change of leadership, and that's electric and hydrogen. So Plug Power is a play, and Plug Power has been in the headlines, so I see Plug Power gapping up more. It already started Thursday and Friday, so this week we should see that. Another one, Blink. I own Blink at $10. Blink has been really gapping up. It's been a really dependable workhorse for me. So put Blink on your watch list for this week. And also, last but not least, Fuel Cell. All of these are EV friendly stocks, EV underlines, right? The power. So Apple, Plug, and Blink, put those on your watch list to play for this week. Any questions or comments, or if you have a stock you want me to do a technical analysis on, feel free to leave a comment. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe, and also hit that notification bell. That way, when I drop these gems, you guys get notified. I look at hundreds of stocks a day, and I do trading based on technical analysis and chart patterns. So a lot of my information is time sensitive, and you want to know what to look out for by getting those notifications. All right, this is Reggie with Stock Talk. We'll see you later.